Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Dr. Flex, aka Solomon. I'm going to show you all one of my favorite ab exercises. I like to do weighted sit-ups on the ball. And the reason why is that weighted sit-ups on the ball gives your body that extra, like that extra few inches of movement that helps you burn off and work off and build stomach muscle. And with mine, since I'm advanced, I'm actually doing it with a heavier dumbbell. This is a 95-pound dumbbell. So this really builds strength in your core and your back. But I suggest starting off with like a light. First, start off with no weight, and then gradually progress to adding, 10-pound weight, 20-pound weight, and yeah. I basically sit on the edge of the ball and have my feet under something to give me some cushion, or so that it gets your body level. So the weight is right under you. Breathe out. Lay down. Breathe out. Down. It's also what your bicep too when you use heavier